Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Korea's Vlogs. Today's video, we are celebrating our 7th year wedding anniversary. So ayan, good morning sa inyong lahat. Ayan, kakagising lang namin ni Habi at naglabing-labing.
Pancake time.
Pancake time? Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy's pancake! I love you. So, habang nagluluto siya ng pancake, umakyat ako guys sa taas at kinuha ko yung card na ginawa ko at hindi niya alam. Gusto ko siyang surprisahin. What is it? Read it.
It says, I'm yours, no refunds. Sorry about that. Happy 7th wedding anniversary. Happy 7th wedding anniversary to my partner in crime, my best friend, and the love of my life. Cheers to our love story. Today and every day, I'm grateful for the love and joy you bring to my life. I love you so much, my dear husband. Thank you, love.
You're welcome. Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
You like it?
Yeah. So no refunds?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
You are fully owned. No refunds.
No refunds.
You can't return me.
Why would I want to return you?
I don't know. Pala guys yung card na binigay ko sa kanya.
A few inches later.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Korea's Vlogs. Today is April 11, 2024. So, it's our 7th wedding anniversary! Yay! Yeah, like that. Yeah, so today we're going to recycle place because we're gonna send our recycle plastic and cans, yeah, for extra money. And then later on we gonna, what we gonna do later on?
We're gonna go to dinner.
Yeah, we're gonna have
We
a,
haven't figured out yet.
yeah, we haven't figured it out. So let's see later. Sorry guys, medyo shaky yung video kasi yung phone holder is hindi siya gaano ka-sturdy. Parang magalaw siya. So medyo bumpy yung road papuntang recycle center. So ayan, parang shaky yung video natin. Yeah, so earlier this morning, and then yeah, we're going to the recycle center. How are you guys? And then next week we are going to San Diego for a short vacation, like a weekend vacation, weekend getaway to visit our friend, yeah, from YouTube. I met her in YouTube on April. It's like April of guys sa recycle center. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Funny. Yeah, so see you guys later.
See ya.
Guys, tapos na tayo sa recycling center. So we got $8. Ayan, $8. Like 400 pesos sa Pinas money. Yeah, not bad. At least may $8, di ba, babe? At least we got $8.
Yeah.
Bago pa yung pera nila, kaka-withdraw lang siguro. Yeah, so alis na tayo, guys. Yeah, waiting pa kasi barado yung yung harapan. May nakaharang pa. Ayan, tatanggalin niya nila. Then we can go ahead. Let's go. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung pila. Ang haba na. Ayan yung pila, guys. It's a nice day. Grabe, ang ganda ng araw. Ang ganda ng weather today, guys. Nasa 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Mga nasa 20 something Celsius, guys. Degrees Celsius. Tara, uwi na tayo.
3 hours later.
Grabe, super hot today, guys.
Hi.
We're going to have an early dinner at Morgan Hill. Hi guys, we are here nasa Morgan Hill. Hubby has a reservation in Willard Hicks. Yeah, so mag-early dinner kami doon. And yeah. It's a beautiful day today. Ganda ng weather. Unpredictable talaga yung weather dito. Maulan. I think next or this Saturday, maulan na naman siya. It's gonna be raining. And the rest are sunny day. So, see you guys later over there. So we are here inside the Willard Hicks restaurant. So it's a bar and restaurant. Ang laki at saka ang ganda ng ambience niya, guys. Malawak, tapos maraming upuan. Ayan, medyo wala pa maraming tao kasi maaga pa, guys. Ayan, may pa-flower for us. And nandito na pala yung order namin na drinks. Sa akin ay mimosa. Kay hubby naman is soda kasi ayaw niya talaga mag-drink pag nagda-drive siya, guys. Good boy kasi yan siya. Charot. Ayan, cheers for more love and togetherness. Happy 7th anniversary to us. So, ayan. Ito yung kabuuan ng bar and restaurant na Willard Hicks dito sa Morgan Hill, guys. Kung malapit kayo dito, ayan, highly recommended, visit nyo, guys. Medyo pricey siya pero worth it talaga. Yung food is mouth-watering at sulit. Ayan, yung kay hubby, order niya pala is creamy pasta with mushroom and brisket. Ayan. Ang sarap ng brisket na yan, guys. nag-try ako. Masarap siya at saka mabango talaga at super tender. Ayan, hinihiwa-hiwa niya na. Napasarap siya dyan, naubos niya talaga yan. And then, dito naman yung order ko is sticky chicken with veggies and sliced mangoes, bell pepper. Ayan, masarap siya guys, as in. And with sushi rice with sesame seeds then. Ayan, yung kay hubby. Lapit na maubos. Sarap na sarap siya dyan. And let's eat. And then, mashed potatoes. Super creamy. And buttery. Masarap siya guys. As in, ang laki ng servings. Ayan, di niya nagustuhan. Naubos niya yung food niya. Sa akin, mayroon natira. Ayan. Kinakain niya naman yung mashed potatoes. Hindi na kami nag-order ng dessert kasi super busog na namin guys. And charan! Dito na yung bill namin. $96.68. And may patip si hubby guys. Ayan. Nagtip siya ng $20 kasi ang galing ng waitress namin. Mabait siya. And then, pinicturean niya pa kami. Char. So, we're going to our parking space.
Food was great. We are full now.
Yeah. We went here too before, huh?
Yeah, we went
Your
to
birthday?
Rose
That was your birthday?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
We're walking now because we're so full.
Yeah.
The little baby. Oh, he's a friendly boy.
Friendly boy?
He's a girl or a boy?
I don't know.
Hi, cute.
Does he lift you? Do you lift you?
Yeah, he probably
Do
lives.
not take. How's your home? Do not take.
Huh?
His collar says, how's your home? Do not take. We can't take you, boy. You have a home.
It's a girl.
What is?
Bye, baby. Go home. We can't take you. I'm sorry. You are leaving. We're gonna go in the car. Go home and eat, okay? Yeah? Where's your house? Where's your home, baby girl? Oh, she's friendly. Bye-bye. Bye, baby. Careful, we gotta go. Hey!
Hey, what are you doing?
He wants to go in the car. Hey!
Hey!
Look at that.
Dude, where do you live?
Where do you live? Look at she get in the car. You gotta go home, boy.
Boss.
Oh, girl. Go down. We gotta go. Oh my god. She wants to go with
little
Tori.
girl. No, little girl.
Oh, hey.
Oh, little girl.
We gotta go home,
We gotta
girl.
go home.
We gotta go get some stuff.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. We don't live here.
Look at that. We got a kitty get in here. Go home.
Go home, baby.
We gotta go.
Go.
We already have 3
Do-
kitties. We can.
I stay home. Do not
You
take.
have somebody with you.
That's a name. You have a car?
Bye, baby. Let's go.
Okay.